In front of me is Redmi A3 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And if your photos are recent, click on them right away. If you can't find them here, tap on Folders. Look for them here and click on the chosen one. To add another one, click on Folders again and click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!